Right guys, time to scrap out the last of these. As you can see, all the lovely silver contacts in there. A little bit of brass. And these are all the little magnets, the springs. I've got a use for them. That's the fridge magnets. Send out to you lovely people. Right, I had about 100 of these, and this is the last 5, 6. So I'm happy to get them gone. Right, so all you've got to do is sit there and watch me. A bit of old dog in the background, look. Old dog sent me a lovely parcel, you know, with a pack of knife and all sorts in it. So if you ain't seen old dog's videos, go over and have a look. A little bit repetitive, but I find this the best way to do it. Try not to stab my fingers or my hands. Yeah, I've got a new hat from old dog, some stickers, loads of patches. There's a few in there. Don't want to come out. Like I said, there's a few. I guess they must have just turned themselves on again. Hey, we're all out on that one. Cool. Look at that. Someone's going to tell me I should have saved all of these. Look at this parrot's like. Awesome. I haven't had a chance to watch your videos yet, old dog, so it's a perfect chance to catch up with you, mate. He likes his wildlife like myself. So there we go, that's that lot removed. They're dirty. They're dirty. Don't wear gloves. What else we got? Big pile of screws. There we go, look. That's all the iron out of them. Thought I'd have a little weigh up at the end. But like a donut, I forgot to weigh them beforehand. So that might not work. Be interesting to know though, wouldn't it? So they'll be just going to cut that label. I found this the best way to do it, you know. Just repeat the steps. Just cutting that label there, look. On the join. And And then we just got to dig in there. That's it, just get that cover off. And what we've got is a little stainless steel bar here. Save them up as well. Little bar. Look at all that copper, look. It's beautiful. I don't know if I'll speed this up or just allow you to sit there and watch one of my videos while I chat. Feel like one of my lives, you know. Should have done a little live with these. Oh, that was nearly a stab in the hand because I'm going the wrong way, look. You see how easily it's done now, can't you? Wow, 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 wow. Yo, old dog. Oh, look at that. Woodpecker. Sweet. That's a spotted woodpecker. We get those here. We get the green ones as well. Beautiful green woodpeckers. I need to get myself one of them wildlife cams because they're awesome. Stick one on my Amazon watch list. You never know. I think I forgot to take that bar off for that one, didn't I? Just hosed across there. So there we go, look. On to the next step. Don't take long really. Just take that little spring, stick it on the magnet there, look. And then we've got to take out all these bits of iron. And you just slip that across. A little spring. And I've got to take that other one off. This is where we find all them lovely little magnets. Come on. Watched some of Snobby's live tonight. Watched a little bit of Mike. Watched a little bit of PC. All awesome people. So when the mind is keeping the hands busy, or the hands are keeping the mind busy, I watch a bit of that. And while I'm stripping, stick on a bit of old dog. This is where you get these little magnets from, look. Make some little fridge magnets out of them. I could cut that shape out of a bit of back of a piece of wood, glue it in there, and do little SMDs or something, I don't know. Little faces for people, how's that? That's all you do. Don't take long. You just want to go through these. They are filthy, aren't they? Take out those little magnets. One on either side, obviously. That's how it operates the switch, isn't it? Oh, I can make a lot of fridge magnets out of this lot. snobby. The sunflowers have just come through today. Well, yesterday I noticed them, but they've actually popped out now, which is awesome. I was getting a little bit concerned just in case they weren't going to come through. These ones are actually iron. They're copper coloured, but they stick to a magnet, which is a shame. Then you get these little rings in the back as well. And they're iron. There weren't many brass, there was only a few. And it looks like all these last few here are all going to be iron. How strange. Yeah, they are, look. Flipping Nora. Oh dog, diggity dog. I'll leave you a comment later, mate. So, just going to get rid of this bit of plastic off of there because I want to. Because I can. Makes it a bit easier to deal with later. Don't worry, I'll clear it all up. Like I say, there's about 100 of these, so I'm glad to see the end of them. You never know, I might pick up another load tomorrow. No, I enjoy doing it. Keeps me busy, get a little bit of scrap out of it. Ooh, we got a face. Ooh. I'll have to put that on one of my Facebook pages. Marcus Scrapping Faces. So there we go, a little stack of magnets, copper spools. And then these, all we do, pick them out like that. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And they go in there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go, little silver contacts on the end. Then that bit drops out. That bit's rubbish. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And that bit drops out. Don't take long really, do they? I know Ro likes stripping these down. Romantic. Didn't he send a load of contacts off to Street Copper 11? One of the bros. He made an ingot out of it, didn't he? Awesome that was, man. There we go, look. Bit of marker scrapping. As Mike would say, ain't nobody got time for that. Yeah, old dog sent me a cap as well. I've just dropped one of them on the floor. There's always one. Yeah, awesome little cap it is, guys. Ain't little, quite a chunky head. Last one. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then with these, we've got our magnets there. These have a little spring in them. Oh no, I don't want to put that down there. I want to drop that in there. They're really dirty, aren't they? Let's see. I'll keep putting them down there. Ain't nobody got time for that. marker scrapping. You know what I like it about it out here? It's nice and quiet. Apart from the jumbo jet flying over from Stansted. I've noticed that at night time they always fly lower. Has anyone else noticed that? Very strange. So there we go. Stick them in there. I don't think I'm going to fit them in, so they'll rest on top. Oh yeah, they'll go in there, look. And all the little springs. A lot of springs. Boing. That one's gone, look. It's just shot past my head, I think. They're everywhere. There you go. Boing, 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 boing. Love it. So, there we have the magnets and the springs. All them contacts, look. Whee, beautiful. And that's what I mean, a little bit of brass. Some of them are brass, some are iron. A little jar then. And then the copper spools. Alright? Now this bit's easy. Oh, bear with me guys. Get off my perch. Find me cutters. And then I can show you. Hey, is that you, old dog? Is that old dog whistling at me there? There we go, look. Might as well do it on the seat. So all I do is you got the longer sides. It's a bit thicker, that plastic, so this will give easier. So you just aim it to the end, just so it nips it off. Just like that, look. Get them silly little bits of plastic out of there. A little twist. Look at that. Beautiful bit of copper. Yeah, that'll go into there with the rest. I know what you're thinking. Dan, you're going to chop your fingers off in a minute. Won't be the first time. Not at all. You got to get the copper out, you see. Crunch as it goes through my finger. There we go, sweet, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, I tell you. Microwaves have got a similar sort of spool in them. And the actual fan motor, same as washing machines. I think it's the pumps, isn't it? They've got similar sort of spools. I think they're more square. I think it's like 100 grams per spool. Per spool? A bit like per specs. No. Copper. Oh, that was a stubborn one. So there we go. Last of the copper. So out of all them relays, look, got all this. The last time I weighed that, there was 2 kilos, so I reckon that's about nearly 3 kilos of, I don't think it goes quite wide, will it? Hairy sort of stuff. Probably going heavy copper. So that's alright. Just turn you back round to here. Try and get in here without knocking everything over. You see alright? Awesome. So yeah, I have all those relays. bit of brass, all the contacts, the magnets I'm going to be keeping. The sweet little magnets, look. See that? All them springs, look. Springs. Look how black my hands have got through them. Got some copper. Yeah, old dog. Check him out, yeah, guys. Does all these wildlife. Look at that little yellow bird, look. Isn't that beautiful? That's just awesome. Anyway, I'm going to round this up. And I'd like to say thank you again to old dog, VA Bigfoot, for all the patches he sent me. Oh, look at these, guys. Look at these. Sent me some awesome stuff. What a top bloke. I've got to find somewhere to sew these on. Today, gold places. Hildy and Joe, Adventure USA. Look at that, beautiful. Texas, you know he's in Texas, don't you? You probably can't even see what I'm showing you here. There we go, let's hold them up here. Look at that, north, south, east, west. Look at that one. Let the adventures begin. That's brilliant. Let's sleep under the stars. Explore. That I like that one. Yeah? Fishing life. I know you'd like that. I know you'd like that one a lot. Explore. California. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful embroidered patch. New York. Lenny Nash. Now, I do know some people from California, but I can't remember, so Rose from Texas. So if you're from California, let me know in the comments, yeah? I'd like to know. But I'm going to ask old dog if he will let me pass that one on to a friend. I'd like to keep it, obviously, but I'm up for sharing. I like that sort of thing. Lenny, you're not having the New York one, man, because I'm keeping that. He sent me some coins as well for close that up. For where was it? I've got them somewhere. Pigeon Forge, which is a place in Tennessee, which looks awesome. It's like a great place, and it's got loads of good shops, loads of stuff going on. There's adventures and outdoor stuff going on, camping and all that sort of stuff. But this guy's brilliant, yeah? Check him out. Slurp with the old Rosie Lee. Right, there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thanks, guys. Give you that thumb instead, eh? Catch you all later. Bye bye.